Gold evening everyone. Let's do a quick analysis for gold. So this is a purely technical based analysis. So be very careful if you follow nyo tong analysis na to. It's a purely technical, walang fundamental na nakahalo dito. So tinamad akong magbasa ng mga fundamentals yan. And remember, it's 3 days away from the end of the month. So mag-i-end na yung monthly candle in 3 trading day. So let's look at the monthly candle. So titingnan natin yung monthly. So don't mind the sell. So matagal na natin hawak yun. So here we are at this price level, the 1916 and the 1925. Kung saan siya nag-oscillate yung araw na to. Kung titingnan natin yung monthly, here we can see the time when we captured this 1985. So same concept ang ibabalik ko dito. Here we can see a resistance, turn support, and then here a lower high. So kala natin mag bearish movement, but it was corrected and nag-create ng another high. So there's a high here. So the trend is still intact to be a bullish trend. Okay, so kung sa monthly tayo nakatingin, that's a bullish trend. So this high will act as a support. This low acts as a support, created a high here but rejected dito yung nakaraan. So here's the low na hindi pa natitest. And then another high. So it broke the high here. So nag-create siya ng bagong high, panibagong high. Create siya ng low in here. And then this high sa 1965, it won't be tested this month. Sigurado tayo doon. So sigurado tayo yung 1916 na yan, hindi magiging 1965. Because if that happens, magiging doji candle ito. And which is, napaka-imposibleng mangyari. That's around 16, tapos papunta sa 65. That's around 500 pips. So, para sa akin, it's a low probability na mag 1965 siya. So, if you have a target na 500 pips, iwas ka sa trade na to. Okay? Better execute a buy at the last day or at the first day of the following month. Okay? Last day ngayong month or first day ng following month. So here we are seeing the price is piercing this low. So pag na-pierce niya kasi itong 1970 na support na to, it will test dito sa 1893. So iti-test niya to. If this is a bearish candle na ganito sa 1893, walang wick dun sa baba. Maybe ko-correct yun agad hanggang 1927. But if the price will close dito, mag-ranging siya dito hanggang matapos yung buwan na to, there's a high probability that next month, yung September 1, will be a big bearish candle na babasagin yung 1885. So baka puntahan niya tong 1827. But first, mauuntog muna siya sa 1837. That is if yung monthly candle na to will end here at the 19 or below the 1917. Okay? So pag dyan siya mag-end, for example, ito na yung last day, tapos ito yung forma, kinabukasan ng sell ka kaagad, baka mag-retrace lang ng ganun, then a big move or sa following weeks pa yan sa NFP or depende kung ano yung mga i-release niyo. So for now, I am seeing or targeting a 100 to 200 pip move lang. So dito makikita natin, you have a support here at the 1900 to 1902. So that's 170 pips. So 100 pips yung magiging down nito. Kung dito naman tayo kukuha ng support, that's 1908. That's 80 pips na support. So if that support, that 80 pip support will be broken, expect na yung presyo pupunta below 1900 to 1892. So it's safe to say na pwede kang mag-buy dito 1908 and then you target 1970 to 1927 or hanggang 1937. Pag lumagpas kasi sa 1937 at pag nagganitong closing siya, 1940 yung closing niya, that would signify a somewhat like hindi siya bearish na momentum, and then eventually next month it will retest this 1965 and hit the 1985 yung hold natin ng July 20. So I'm expecting a buy here, pero titingnan muna natin siya sa H4. So looking at the H4 candle, ayun nga, bumagsak na siya, and hopefully this consolidation part here will hold. Ito na yung ginagawa niya 1914. So kung 1908, your stop loss will be 1908, 80 pips stop loss ka. So 80 pips stop loss. Bakit 80 pips? Because kita natin siya sa 30 minutes. Bakit 80 pips? So looking at the move 1921 to 1925, maybe around the Asian session or Asian and London. So 25 to 21 is 40 pips at ito yung bagsak na to, 1924 to 14, it's a 100 pip move. So kung kukunin natin yung average, 100 and 150, that's around 80 80 pip move. So, malamang at sa malamang magda-down pa siya dito. 80 pip move. So, your 80 pip stop loss should be safe. Okay? And then your target. Saan ka ba magta-target? So, targeting, I expect that this resistance, itong resistance na to, ay matatest. So, 1926 or 1925 will break. Okay? Then, testing it up to 1937 or 19. Yan. Babasagin natin yan. Hanggang dyan. Sa 1935. So, bakit sa 1935 ang napili natin? Okay, 1935. Okay, if that breaks the 1935, here, you can see a 35. Ayan. Okay. Here, we can see the 1935. There is a rejection sa cells. Ito, yung area na to is a rejection of the cells. It corrected, then, kinurek, rejected, diretso. So, there is a rejection here na hindi pa natitest at hindi pa nakukuha. Kita natin itong week na to. So, meron ka pang rejection dun after the 1930 to 1935. Okay? So, that will be your bias for tonight. So, for tonight, you can buy gold. And then, ayun, buy tayo. Magbabay tayo kay gold mamaya. So, I'll see you in the buy later on. Okay? So, have a nice day. God bless.